Speak English all day. Real conversations, morning to night. Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to do something very powerful. We're going to live an entire day in English, from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to sleep. Real conversations, real situations, the kind of English people actually use every day. Don't rush this lesson. Listen carefully, repeat if you can, and imagine yourself in each situation. Let's start. Morning. Waking up. You wake up, you check your phone. Maybe you talk to someone at home. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Yeah, not bad. I was a little tired, though. Same here. I didn't get enough sleep. Simple, natural, real. Now maybe you're running late. Oh no, I'm late. I need to get ready quickly. Where's my phone? I can't find my keys. Notice how short these sentences are. Native speakers don't always use long sentences. They keep it simple. Getting ready. I'm going to take a shower. Give me 10 minutes. Hurry up, we're going to be late. If someone is waiting for you. Are you ready yet? Almost. Just a minute. I'm coming. That phrase is very common. I'm coming. It doesn't mean you're arriving from far away. It just means I'm on my way right now. Breakfast time. Did you eat? Not yet. What do you want for breakfast? I'll just have something light. Or maybe, I'm not really hungry. I'll grab something later. Very natural. Leaving the house. Let's go. We're going to be late. Wait, I forgot something. Lock the door. If you're going somewhere. How long does it take to get there? It takes about 20 minutes. There's a lot of traffic today. On the way, transportation. If you're talking to someone, is this seat taken? No, go ahead. Thanks. Or asking for help. Excuse me, does this bus go downtown? Yes, it does. Thank you. Always remember, excuse me is very polite, very important. At work, school. Hey, how's it going? Good, how about you? Can't complain. That's a very natural response. Can't complain. Now, work conversations. Did you finish the task? I'm working on it. I'll be done soon. Or, can you help me with this? Sure, no problem. Give me a second. Casual talk with people. What did you do yesterday? Nothing much, just relaxed. Do you have any plans today? Yeah, I'm meeting a friend later. Simple, relaxed, natural English. Lunchtime. Where do you want to eat? I don't know. You pick. Let's try something new. At a restaurant. Can I get a chicken sandwich? Would you like anything to drink? Just water, please. And when food arrives, this looks good. Wow, this is really good. Afternoon, low energy moment. This is real life. I'm so tired. I need coffee. I can't focus. Or, let's take a break. Yeah, good idea. Evening, shopping, errands. Do you need anything from the store? Yeah, get some milk. At the store, how much is this? It's too expensive. I'll take it. Or, do you have this in another size? Let me check. Back home. I'm finally home. What a long day. I'm exhausted. Talking to family or friends. How was your day? It was busy, but good. Dinner time. Are you hungry? Yeah, a little. What are we eating? Or, let's order food. I don't feel like cooking. Night, relaxing. What are you watching? Just a show. Or, I'm scrolling on my phone. There's nothing interesting. Before sleep. I'm going to bed. Good night. See you tomorrow. Or, I'm really tired. I need to sleep early. Now listen. This is how you learn real English. Not just grammar, not just vocabulary, but living the language, moment by moment. If you repeat these situations every day, you will start thinking in English naturally. Take this lesson, come back to it again, and practice out loud. That's the key. I'll see you in the next lesson.